Hey, I'm working on the cable panel for our cable knit Christmas tree skirt, and I want to demo two techniques to complete this cable, the cable 6 back and the cable 6 front. That essentially gives us the crossover between this panel. The first technique and the first one up in the pattern is the cable 6 back. The cable panel is worked with 11 stitches, where the first and last stitch is a selvage stitch, which we will always slip. So here we'll slip that first stitch. And then up first is cable 6 back, which means we're working the cable over these next 6 stitches. We are going to slip those first 3 stitches onto a spare needle. I'm using a spare interchangeable needle from a circular needle set, but if you have a cable needle, you can definitely use that here. I slipped 3, and I'm going to place that into the back of the work, behind the work. And then I'll knit 3 stitches on our left needle. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll return back to those skipped stitches, those 3 we held in the back, and I'll knit those. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll complete the row. So we complete 3 more knit stitches, and then our last stitch, there's our selvage stitch. On this side of the work, it's a purl stitch. Okay, I'll next demo the cable 6 front, which gives us the other side of the work. Hope that helps. Okay, this is the row where we will demo the cable 6 front. So the first stitch is selvage, so we are going to slip that one. We're going to knit the first 3. The first 3 are used for the back stitches. Then we are going to slip the next 3 stitches onto the spare needle. So 1, 2, 3. And in this row, we hold these 3 stitches to the front of the work. And then we will knit the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and return back to those skipped 3 stitches and knit those. 1, 2, and 3. And then our last stitch is always a purl. Drop that spare needle, always a purl. So that's our knit, cable knit 6 back and cable knit 6 forward. And you keep going on just like that.